Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I just wanted to draw your attention to those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on this arrow at the top and enter the settings in the right upper corner of this section. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Default Settings and confirm it with OK. The camera settings flashed a little, so now we can go back, and as you can see the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully closed all, reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.